So we are Team Hack Attackers. I am Gayatri Vadvani and my teammates Paul Ochani, Nishika Ahuja and Simran Gordasani introducing our project Memory Mingle. It is a innovative project designed specifically to support individuals living with Alzheimer's disease. At the core of our mission, we aim to enhance memory retention and provide a source of joy and engagement through a series of tailored activities. Memory Mingle leverages the latest in cognitive science and user friendly technology to create an accessible platform where patients can engage in exercises proven to aid memory enhancement and mental agility. So, coming to the our home page, we have carousel stating beautiful quotes which can lighten up the moods of Alzheimer patients. Now, next part is about testimonials. Here, users which are currently using our website can give their feedback and write about their memories related to Memory Mingle, our website. Another part is launch and giggle. Here, user can basically lighten up his or her mood by exploring various giggles like why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Have you ever wondered? You. This is our footer. These are hyperlinks for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Now coming to our Socio Connect page, we have the motto behind this page was to make Alzheimer patients feel more confident about their thoughts and they can share and grow. Coming to this section, insight exchange, sharing wisdom, finding solution. Here users can write about their insights of any experience they have witnessed or something. Voices of memory, sharing journey and building connections. Brush strokes of remembrance, capturing moments, a son's promise. Basically, Alzheimer's patients are more specific. Alzheimer patients tend to forget about their experiences and their family members also. So this page will like connect them to their family. Now, why do we advocate about Alzheimer disease? What's the next steps and act now? These all discussion forums are there basically. Now question and answer section. Here user can even ask question and answer the same, or user can answer any question of another user. Now our main showstopper, Mind Gym. Train your brain, elevate your mind with Mind Gym. Memory boosters, we have basically 3 games. Memory card game. Rather than talking about it, let me make you go through it. Yes. After 3 wrong matches, you found a 1 correct match. Now memory puzzle game. You can't do this, but you can do this. All these games will enhance the mental capability of the patients and make them feel more joyful about their feelings, about their thoughts. Now coming to the task. Before coming to the task checker, let us go through spot the difference game. Here user can spot the difference between a line which makes the wrong and correct one symmetric. Let me show you how it works. Game over. I lost. Now another level. Level 2. As user surpasses a level, the complexity of another level increases. Now coming to the task checker part. Here Alzheimer patients can schedule their task, work till 9, add, do workout, add, user can remove the items which user can remove the task which they are done. User can also add another task like drink water, add, then user can remove the, like, is this task completed? If user says yes, then it will be removed. If user says no, it will be here only. Now this is our project, Mind Mingle, Memory Mingle, where Alzheimer patient can feel like their home and come to the final solution. Moreover, we also have here our login page, Alzheimer's patient login, where user can enter the credentials like name, and so on. Moreover, this is our logo for Memory Mingle. At last, I would like to say that Memory Mingle connects minds, ignites conversation, and make patients, users feel more confident and joyful about their own selves. Thank you.